Explore the world of learning with Ashman Digital Education Hub. Welcome to Ashman Digital Education Hub, where curiosity meets knowledge and learning knows no bounds. We are thrilled to introduce you to our premier destination for comprehensive and engaging educational content spanning a wide array of fascinating topics. At Ashman Digital Education Hub, we believe that learning should be an enriching and fulfilling experience, accessible to all. That's why we've curated a diverse range of subjects, from the intricate strategies of digital marketing to the awe-inspiring mysteries of space and science. Whether you're a seasoned professional looking to expand your expertise or a curious learner eager to explore new horizons, there's something here for everyone. Digital marketing. Demystified. Are you ready to elevate your digital marketing game? Dive into our in-depth tutorials, insightful guides, and practical tips designed to help you navigate the ever-evolving landscape of digital marketing. From SEO strategies to social media marketing techniques, we've got you covered. Unlock the secrets to maximizing your online presence and reaching your target audience effectively. Journey into the cosmos. Embark on a cosmic adventure with our captivating explorations of space and science. Delve into the wonders of the universe as we unravel the mysteries of black holes, explore the possibility of extraterrestrial life, and contemplate the future of space exploration. Join us on a voyage of discovery as we peer into the vastness of space and uncover its hidden treasures. Unlock your potential. At Ashman Digital Education Hub, we're passionate about empowering individuals to reach their full potential. Whether you're seeking to enhance your professional skills, satisfy your intellectual curiosity, or simply broaden your horizons, our platform offers a wealth of opportunities for personal and professional growth. With our engaging content and user-friendly format, learning has never been more accessible or enjoyable. Join our community. Ready to embark on a journey of lifelong learning? Join our vibrant community of learners, educators, and enthusiasts from around the globe. Connect with like-minded individuals, share your insights and experiences, and engage in meaningful discussions on topics that matter to you. Together, we can inspire curiosity, foster creativity, and ignite a passion for learning that knows no limits. Subscribe today. Don't miss out on the opportunity to explore the world of learning with Ashman Digital Education Hub. Subscribe to our channel and unlock access to a treasure trove of educational resources delivered straight to your fingertips. Whether you're looking to expand your knowledge, enhance your skills, or simply satisfy your curiosity, we're here to support you every step of the way. Join us as we embark on an exciting journey of discovery and enlightenment. Together, let's embrace the joy of learning and unlock the endless possibilities that await. Welcome to Ashman Digital Education Hub, where learning knows no bounds.